right, so today we're out here at this project, and you see behind me, we created this water feature, and we deal with water features quite often. We have people call me all the time and say, hey, we'd love to have a water feature in our yard. What does that look like? How do we do it? How do we keep it from turning green? Like, what are those pieces? And so we're going to talk to you a little bit about that today. As you can see behind us, this water feature, up here at the top, we have came in and we've dug this down, built some dirt up. We have a big skimmer box up here at the top, and that skimmer box inside of it allows that water to drop out, and then it drops down. And then this is a pondless water feature. So down here at the bottom, there is not a pond. So we don't have to worry about algae, fungus, mold. We don't have to worry about dead fish, chemicals, any of that down here in this area. But what happens is in this particular area is there's a bunch of grates down there. The water comes down, it makes it into there. The pumps down here recirculate that water, pump it back up here to the top, and then drop it back down again. And so this is a closed circuit system. It has an autofill on it. So what happens is when the water level gets too low, the system will kick in, just like a toilet does. It fills up, puts more water in it, and then that water just continues to recycle back through the process. And so this system right here, the way it's laid out, is very easy, very simple, but it is also very sophisticated from the standpoint of how it's laid out and how it's done. We see a lot of people, they put in outdoor water features, and then 2 or 3 years later, we have a client call us and say, hey, my water feature doesn't work. Hey, I've got moss and mildew and fungus and everything under the sun growing in the water, or I can't keep it clean, or it's breeding mosquitoes. This particular setup, we don't really have to worry about that as much. We don't have to worry about a big puddle of water down here to turn green or to get slimy. We don't have to worry about moss and algae and all that, because the water is in that consistent cycle and in that process of it flowing down. So this is just a simple outdoor system. You can do multiple setups. This particular one, it's not real high. We just wanted some water feature and some noise here. That's why you got the waterfall up there, and you have a waterfall down here to create that that ambient noise at night. You can come out here into the backyard, turn the lights down low, enjoy the sound of the water and the rippling effect of the water running down the edge of this, and it creates a very nice outdoor feature. If you're interested in doing an outdoor feature, make sure that you look for a person who is using specifically the particular types of filtration systems, the particular types of basins and things like that, overflows. That way that you make sure that you get a good quality system. I will tell you out of the gate, a proper water feature is not going to be really, really cheap. And I say that because in order to do this right, you've got to have the right equipment. This particular water feature, it probably has a couple $1,000, $4,000 or $5,000 in just the pumps and the filtration system in this particular one, just due to the fact that we want to make sure that it is filtered right so that we don't have a whole bunch of maintenance to it. A lot of people, they'll go get a cheap pump, they'll go get cheap filters, and then they're consistently having to work on it. So just make sure when you're hiring a contractor or you're looking at a water feature, think about the maintenance. Think about how much money you want to invest in. That way, you can make sure that the investment you're making and the feature that you get are exactly what you need, and it doesn't become a maintenance issue that you have to deal with all the time. So hopefully this helps. If you need some good ideas on outdoor features, take a look at our Facebook page, our social media. Take a look at our website. We have a number of features on there. And also check out the local contractors in our area. You can go to the Stone Center in Macon. They have some really cool water features there at their location as well, to kind of give you an idea of what can be built. These things can be expanded. We can make streams, creeks. You can have massive waterfalls. You kind of have the gamut to do a little bit of anything and everything when it comes to water features. Just make sure that it's built properly so you're not having a huge maintenance issue after it's been installed. So hopefully this helps.